Hi boys and girls. Alright, today we're going to be working on subtraction. We've done this before, so today is going to be a review, just like what we did yesterday when we did addition review. So today we're going to be subtracting two numbers using your favorite strategy and solving real-world subtraction word problems. Right, so this is going to be set up just like yesterday's, except today we're going to be doing all subtraction problems. Again, think about if you were wanting to know how many reading counts points you needed to earn. You can subtract the number of points you currently have from 50 because you're supposed to earn 50 reading counts points. So today, hopefully, you will be able to use what you've learned to help you do that. So we've already done our beginning. So I will be going and showing you just the computation problems where you're going to be solving with the numbers. And then you're going to do part 2. I'm going to come back and model again, and you're going to be looking at story problems. So we've learned a couple of different things for subtraction. We've learned the traditional method where you write the numbers up and down, and then you start in the ones place, and you say, well, what's 7 minus 8? I can't do that. So you go and you trade from the neighbor, you borrow from the neighbor, and you add 10 over here. Okay, and so 17 minus 9, and you have to take one here, so that became 0, and that 0, right, you couldn't do 0 minus 8, so you had to borrow again, right? So in traditional, you will probably have to borrow, and you'll have to know to write that above there. Then we've also learned expand and trade. Right? Expand and trade, you write out the number, like 247, you write 200 plus 40 plus 7. Then you subtract, now that you know the place values. So it's very similar to traditional, but here you're going to say, well, what's 7 minus 6? That's 1. 40 minus 80? Ooh, I can't do that. So I'm going to take 100 and put that 100 over here. So traditionally, you kind of have to know the place values and say that this really is going to be, you're taking a 10 and putting it here. You're taking 100 and putting it here. Okay, but here we just look at it with the digits rather than really the place value. So I want you to answer this question. How comfortable do you feel with solving subtraction problems on your own? Do you feel pretty confident, like you know how to solve them? Or do you feel like you kind of struggle and you need some more practice? I'm going to pause the video here, and I'll come back and model for you in a minute.